Most popular recipes of the 2000s. Hey, are you looking for popular recipes for the 2000s? So we think you don't have to look any further. In this video, we'll cover avocado toast, unicorn cake, cold brew coffee, kale salad, cronut, ramen noodles, and many more. These dishes define the culinary landscape of the era, ranging from healthy superfoods to indulgent desserts. So let's jump right into this. Number 1. Avocado toast. Avocado toast gained significant popularity during the 2000s and has since become a beloved breakfast or brunch item around the globe. The simple yet delicious dish consists of mashed or sliced ripe avocado spread over a piece of toasted bread. Its rise to fame can be attributed to its health benefits, versatility, and appealing visual presentation. Avocado is known for its creamy texture and rich, nutty flavor, making it an ideal ingredient for spreading on toast. The fruit is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which are known to promote heart health. Additionally, avocados provide essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, vitamin E, potassium, and folate, making them a nutritious addition to any meal. The beauty of avocado toast lies in its adaptability. It serves as a blank canvas for countless creative variations and toppings. Some popular additions include sliced tomatoes, feta cheese, poached egg, smoked salmon, red pepper flakes, or a drizzle of balsamic glaze. These additional ingredients enhance the flavor profile and add visual appeal, making each avocado toast creation unique and tailored to individual preferences. Avocado toast rise to popularity can also be attributed to its aesthetically pleasing presentation. The vibrant green color of the avocado contrasts beautifully with the golden toast, creating an eye-catching dish that's often showcased on social media platforms, food blogs, and brunch menus. Number 2. Unicorn cake. Unicorn cake became a whimsical and enchanting sensation during the 2000s, captivating the hearts and imaginations of both children and adults alike. This fantastical dessert is characterized by its vibrant, pastel-colored layers, shimmering decorations, and a touch of magic. The base of a unicorn cake is typically a moist and fluffy vanilla cake, which serves as a canvas for the colorful and decorative elements. Pastel hues such as soft pinks, blues, and purples are often used to dye the cake layers, creating a dreamy and ethereal appearance. The cake is then frosted with a smooth and creamy buttercream icing, which can be swirled, piped, or smoothed to resemble the flowing mane of a unicorn. The real magic of a unicorn cake lies in the decoration. Edible glitter, gold leaf accents, rainbow sprinkles, and fondant decorations in the shape of stars, clouds, and, of course, unicorns are commonly used to adorn the cake and create a whimsical atmosphere. Some bakers even incorporate a touch of sparkle by adding edible pearl dust or metallic accents. Unicorn cakes are often the centerpieces of birthday parties, baby showers, and other festive occasions, captivating guests with their visually stunning presence. The joy and wonder that these cakes evoke make them a delightful treat that sparks the imagination and adds a touch of enchantment to any celebration. Number 3. Cold brew coffee. Cold brew coffee emerged as a refreshing and popular alternative to traditional hot brewed coffee during the 2000s. This brewing method involves steeping coffee grounds in cold or room temperature water for an extended period, typically 12 to 24 hours, resulting in a smooth and flavorful beverage that can be enjoyed chilled or over ice. One of the key advantages of cold brew coffee is its reduced acidity compared to hot brewed. The slow extraction process eliminates certain bitter compounds, resulting in a less acidic and smoother taste profile. This makes cold brew coffee appealing to those with sensitive stomachs or who prefer a milder coffee experience. Cold brew coffee's slow extraction also allows for a more pronounced flavor profile. The extended steeping time extracts the coffee's natural oils and flavors, resulting in a rich, full-bodied taste with subtle notes of chocolate, caramel, or fruit, depending on the coffee beans used. This flavor complexity, coupled with its smoothness, has garnered a devoted following among coffee enthusiasts. Another benefit of cold brew coffee is its versatility. It can be customized to individual preferences by diluting it with water or milk and sweetened with syrups or flavored creamers. This adaptability allows for a wide range of beverage options, including iced lattes, cold brew mochas, or even creative coffee cocktails. Number 4. Kale salad. Kale salad gained significant popularity during the 2000s as a nutritious and flavorful dish that quickly became a staple in healthy eating. This vibrant and versatile salad features kale as the star ingredient, known for its robust texture and nutrient-dense profile. Kale, a leafy green vegetable, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium, iron, and fiber. Its nutritional value, coupled with its low-calorie content, makes kale a favorite choice for health-conscious individuals. The beauty of kale salad lies in its adaptability to various flavors and ingredients. The sturdy leaves of kale can withstand hearty dressings and flavorful toppings, allowing for a diverse range of taste experiences. Popular additions to kale salad include vibrant fruits like sliced apples or pomegranate seeds, crunchy nuts or seeds, creamy cheeses, and tangy dressings. Kale salad's appeal extends beyond its health benefits. Its robust texture adds a satisfying crunch to each bite, while the combination of different flavors creates a harmonious balance. The salad's vibrant green color and visually appealing presentation also make it an attractive addition to any meal or gathering. Kale salad's popularity can be attributed to its versatility as a standalone meal or as a side dish. It can be enjoyed as a refreshing lunch option or served alongside grilled proteins such as chicken or salmon for a complete and balanced meal. Whether enjoyed for its health benefits or its delightful flavor combinations, kale salad continues to be a go-to choice for those seeking a nutritious and satisfying meal option. Number 5. CRONUT. The CRONUT took the culinary world by storm during the 2000s, combining the flakiness of a croissant with the shape and indulgence of a donut. Created by New York City pastry chef Dominique Ansel, the CRONUT quickly became an international sensation, attracting long lines and eager customers. The CRONUT is made through a labor-intensive process that involves laminating layers of butter within a yeasted croissant dough, which is then shaped into a donut-like form, fried until golden brown, and finished with a sweet glaze or filling. This unique combination results in a pastry that boasts a crispy exterior, airy layers reminiscent of croissants, and a satisfyingly sweet and decadent taste. What made the CRONUT particularly intriguing was its limited availability. Each day, only a limited number of CRONUTs were produced, leading to high demand and an air of exclusivity. The popularity of the pastry was further amplified by social media, as images and reviews of the CRONUT spread rapidly, creating a sense of frenzy and a must-try food experience. The success of the CRONUT inspired a wave of hybrid pastry creations and sparked a trend of combining unexpected flavors and textures in the baking world. It became a symbol of innovation and culinary creativity, captivating both food enthusiasts and pastry aficionados. While the CRONUT craze may have peaked in the 2000s, its impact on the pastry landscape and the enduring fascination with unique and indulgent desserts continue to influence the culinary scene to this day. The CRONUT stands as a testament to the power of innovation and the allure of a truly one-of-a-kind pastry experience. Number 6. Ramen noodles. Ramen noodles, originating from Japan, gained immense popularity during the 2000s and continue to be beloved and widely consumed dish around the world. These wheat-based noodles, often served in a savory broth and topped with an array of flavorful ingredients, offer a comforting and satisfying dining experience. Ramen noodles come in various styles and flavors, each with its own distinct characteristics. Traditional ramen typically features long, curly noodles in a rich and aromatic broth made from meat, seafood, or vegetables. And there you have it. We hope this video will help you find your dinner for today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And meanwhile, thanks for watching.